Hi everyone, how's everyone doing? I just picked up some dry cleaning. I try not to dry clean too often, but I have a couple like poly blend things that I get super sweaty in. I wear them with like tank tops and stuff, so they gotta be dry cleaned. It's really beautiful out, and I think I'm gonna stop at Value Village before I go home. I haven't been in quite some time, and I really want to find some more oversized button downs, so I'm gonna quickly zip in there and see what I can find. Okay, wow, I wasn't expecting to find so many good things, but I feel like sometimes when you don't go for a while, you find stuff. I will show you everything I got when I get home. It's so warm in the car, otherwise I would show you right now. Sneak preview. Okay, I went straight for the display case, and against all odds, I found two pairs of sunglasses that didn't have prescription lenses in them, which is very rare. Usually all the good frames have prescription lens, and obviously you can get another lens, but these are at Fossil, and the style name is Charlotte. I think they're very cute. I need to adjust the screws. They sit straight on my face, but cute. 30 bucks. And then I found these, which I don't think really fit my face that well, but I had to have them because I love the color of them. I think the style is RL636. They're actually quite cute. I just thought that maybe they would be a bit too tiny, but I love the color of the tortoiseshell. And then I went to the jewelry section, not in the case, and found this very beautiful, beaded necklace with this pendant. You all know I love a pendant necklace like this. And then I went to the men's shirt section, and I got this. It's from Pierre Cardin. I'm not sure who he is, but it's a cotton poly blend. I just really like the color of it. I don't know. I'm not super sold on the buttons. I might change the buttons. I really like button downs if I don't have to wear anything on top. I've realized I don't really love collared shirts, or I haven't really gravitated towards collared shirts because I don't like the way they look when I have to layer them, but obviously as we're getting into warmer weather, I can just wear them by themselves. So I got this one. And then I saw this in the, I don't know what section this was in. I was just like kind of walking through the aisles, and I picked it up and I was like, oh, that's so cute. And then I was starting to look at it and I was like, I don't know, like it's not the best quality. It's obviously poly, and I just didn't know, but I tried it on and it's very cute. I mean, obviously I tried it on over my shirt, but it was still very, very cute. I don't know. I'll style it for you sometime soon. And then I went into the home section because I've been looking for, I noticed when we hosted book club at our house that I don't really have any tiny plates so that like people can grab stuff from the snacks or whatever and just have them. So I found these 3 little tiny plates. All of our stuff is mismatched, so even though there's only 3 here, I'll find more of other ones. And I actually have a big size of this plate already, so kind of matching. It's the Lifestyle by J&G, Meakin, England. And then I got this little mug. There was 3 of them. I only got 1 because we have so many mugs, and I kind of just like having all mismatched mugs. And that was it. Good morning. I have to go to Vancouver again today. I feel like I've been going so much recently. I've gone at least once a week for the past almost 2 months now. I got invited to go to a screening of Challengers, so I'm going to that with my mom. I'm gonna take the 1 p.m. ferry, so I'm just quickly packing up my stuff. I'm gonna go get myself a little decaf coffee on the way. Globe and Mail sent me an unhinged article about whether or not decaf coffee was bad for you. I actually didn't read the article because I didn't want to know, but I get Apple News notifications and I saw that and I said, save it for someone else.
Enjoy a variety of pastries and light fare.
Okay, I'm back in town. I just finished yoga. Such a good class. This instructor always plays such good music, like All J, Jose Gonzalez, Patrick Watson. It's just so good. I'm feeling very emotional today. I'm about to get my period, and I was just thinking about yoga while I was in yoga and how it just adds such a wonderful texture to my everyday that I didn't really have before, and it makes me feel just a little bit more purposeful about what I'm doing with my body and my mind. I don't do any sort of very advanced classes. I usually stick to the basic ones, and after a year I find that I'm finally really understanding how my body should feel in certain poses and what they look like. And I know that I'm getting to that point where I'm wanting to challenge myself a little bit more, so I might try and start doing some more advanced classes, things that are a little bit more flowsy. I'm just feeling so emotional. I'm like in the class thinking, I almost started crying in pigeon pose, being like, life is so sweet and equally heartbreaking. And you know, we're all just trying to figure it out. I'm not sure if my yoga journey is anything anyone wants to hear about. I'm obviously very privileged to be able to afford to go to yoga, and that my schedule is so flexible that I can go just about whenever I want. And I feel so grateful and so lucky that that is the case, because this practice has really added to my life in such a positive way, and I can see myself continuing to do it for many, many, many years.
This guy is in love with you.
Buy you a cigar guy or something?
I guess I am now. I just like him a look.
Yeah.
Burritos are here, out of hands. Burrito time. My helmet. Nice. Thank you.
We go sit in the car park. That'd be fun.
Everyone got one. Everyone got one. Yummy, yummy.
That's pretty tasty.
Yeah?
That makes sense.
Okay, whoa, hair. Happy Sunday. I just went to a little market at Back in 5 with some friends. We got breakfast burritos from Tourist. There's my teeth. They were very good. Saw a lot of lovely people that, you know, those people that you like always see at the markets and stuff. So it's always nice to say hi to everybody. But I really want a coffee, routine coffee. Who's there? Who makes amazing coffee, doesn't have decaf, and I really would like a coffee. So I might go get some beans and just make one at home because I ran out. Go get a coffee. I don't know. I wanted to stay longer, but it's really cold and windy, and honestly I'm such a baby when it comes to the wind. My ears can't handle it. My boyfriend and I got ramen after I got home from the market, and I just spent the last couple hours rotating between my book, my Switch, and my phone. I got Roller Coaster Tycoon for my Switch, and it's exactly what the doctor ordered today. It's almost 6 and I'm really craving pökelt. Even though I'm Hungarian, my Hungarian pronunciations are very off, which is strange because I honestly never even really ate it that much as a kid. It's one of those things that I didn't really love, but I feel like it, so I think I'm gonna make it. It doesn't take too long. It's basically just like a beef stew, some nukkedli, just like the Hungarian version of spétzl. So that's what I'm gonna make, and then there'll be leftovers for the week as well. I think I'm also so tired because I'm about to get my period, and my period has really been affecting me for the past few months. Or at least I'm more in tune with it than I have been in the past. Hi, it's Tuesday afternoon. kind of a weird day. The spot that I film only gets sunny at like 4 or 5 in the afternoon, so sometimes when I don't have anything urgent, I have a kind of a gap. Oh, loud ass truck. In the middle of the day. That's what's happening today, and just been bopping around with my boyfriend because he's been going to a lot of bike shops. He's building a bike, that's why we're always at bike shops and stuff. Finished I Who Have Never Known Men last night. It was very good. I finished it in 2 days. I've been really ripping through books recently. It's really good. I really enjoyed it. Unlike anything I've ever read before. Definitely a very horrific book. Lots of horrifying imagery. Very interesting. Sorry, this guy's being so loud. That one wasn't for book club, but I've gotten a couple questions about my book club and what we do and stuff, and basically it's just 10 of my friends, and every month we use like a random name generator to figure out who's going to choose the book, and then we have a month to read it. We used to do like a midway point meeting to kind of chat about it, but we stopped doing that, and then we just meet once a month. Yeah, it's really fun. It's basically just an excuse to chat and hang out. So whoever picks the book hosts a little thing with some like little snackies and stuff like that, and it's been really fun. It's made me definitely get out of my comfort zone with reading, and also just like the commitment to reading has been really nice. That's it. I've got nothing else to say really.
Yeah. Oh yeah, convolution's nuts, man. That's like.
Oh my god, I'm so annoyed right now. So I'm getting ready for yoga, grabbing all my stuff, and go to grab my wallet, those things. I can't find my wallet. I'm like, where is it? I never lose things. I'm very grateful it's a skill I possess. My boyfriend, however, loses shit on a daily basis. Every day he's looking for something. Sorry to out you, babe. But I just have this feeling after about 5 minutes of looking that he has misplaced my wallet for me. So at like 10:02, I cancel my yoga class because I'm like, I don't think I can make it on time. And I'm so sad about it because it's my favorite instructor. I look forward to these classes all week. Whatever, I'm being a little crybaby about it. But I found my wallet in the most absurd place. We have this like shoe hanging rack that we use to put all our bike parts in our basement. And there's my wallet just on one of the shelves. Anyways, thought I would share that fun little bit of my morning. I think I'm gonna go on a run instead because I have all this energy that I would like to use up. Unboxed the most beautiful piece of pottery from Inheritance Studios. They asked me if they could send me a piece, and I am so in love with this. It is made by, I believe her name is Oriana. Her mother-in-law makes them as part of a pottery collective in England. So beautiful. I'll link her shop below. There's so many beautiful things. She so kindly also included my favorite incense. They're just like little papers. You can find them really easily in France, but I used to order them in bulk because I love them so much. This is a scent I actually have never had. I usually get the blue ones. They're so yummy.